A Norwegian telecom company Telenor, which lost all its 22 licenses in India, we understand is close to finalizing a new partner for participating in the 2G auctions. Remember this after the company decided to part ways with its earlier partner, that's Unitech. Let's take it across to Nisha Podar, who's joining us live from our Mumbai newsroom with what she's picking up. Tell us, Nisha.
Right, Tanya. Three sources who are familiar with these developments, independent sources, are telling me at this point that Anil Agarwal could be the likely front runner for tying up with Telenor for its India operations for the new joint venture that Telenor is looking at forming. Remember, the entire process of finding a new joint venture partner for Telenor has been fast-tracked because Telenor from that platform wants to take part in the new bidding process or the auction of 2G licenses, which is due in the next few months from now. What I also gather from my sources is that Anil Agarwal will not be part of this telecom venture through any of its listed companies or Vedanta Group companies, which is either Vedanta Resources or Sterlite Industries or Sesagua. He will be doing these investments in personal capacity, and that's something that I gather from my sources at this point. Now, remember, there are 2 to 3 things to be looked at in this particular format. Remember, Telenor had a JV with Unitech, and because of a spat between the two promoters, that particular JV is in legal tangles right now. So what happens to that particular tie-up and the legal tangle, and will that be a hurdle for the new telecom venture for Telenor in India, is something to be looked at. Also the debt as well as the assets and subscriber base that the earlier unit of Telenor, which is Uninor, has, what will happen to that? So that is something to be looked at. As far as Anil Agarwal is concerned, well, this is a foray into the telecom space if he goes ahead with this joint venture with Telenor. But the company and the group of Vedanta does have a modest exposure in the telecom space through Sterlite Technologies, which is the producer of telecom optical fibers. And since the past few years, the management and the promoters have been pegging a lot of hope to Sterlite Technologies and see it as something which is going to bring in a lot of business opportunity in the group.